hope you all are doing good and staying safe. So sorry for not being so constant on YouTube. And but today I have come up with something really nice. आपको title से पता चल ही गया होगा. So this is a product review. So a few days back I received a PR from Khadi, and they have changed their name to something else, which I will tell you right now. So they have sent me this package. This is with me. This is from Khadi in Global. So let me just show you what I have received and share my thoughts about the same for this particular product, what they have sent me. So this is what they have sent me. They have sent me their red onion hair oil and shampoo. It's a combo pack which they have sent me, as you can see that. So it contains these two products inside it. Let me just quickly open it for you and show you. The packaging is really nice, and I have heard a lot about these two products which are quite good, and even I just can't wait to try these out. I have used onion oils before as well for different brands, but not for this brand, so I'm really excited to use this one. As we all know that onion oil has a lot of good benefits. So yeah, so this is the red onion anti-hair loss and hair growth oil which they have sent me. And guys, so now the Khadi Global has changed their name to the In the Earth. So the new name is In the Earth. So this is how the packaging look like, as you can see. So yeah, this is the packaging for the oil, and this one is the packaging for the shampoo. This is hair growth shampoo, and it has really good benefits, and it's 100% made naturally. So this is the best thing, and I'll share the price details as well. So this is priced at rupees 545, which is not bad, and this comes in 200 ml of packaging. Let me just show you its packaging as well. And for the price for the oil, it is for 695, and this is also 100% made naturally. It's natural and safe, it claims, and contains no mineral oil, no parabens. So it's really nice, and this is also in the packaging of 200 ml, and these products are 100% made in India. So guys, as we all know that a lot of things has been going on recently, so let's promote Indian brands, Indian things. So I would surely recommend you guys to do try these products out, as they are made in India and as they're really nice. And as we all know that onion oil has a lot of benefits, so yeah, you should surely give this product a try. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to check out the website for the In the Earth. Now the Khadi Global has changed their name to In the Earth. So I hope you find my review helpful, and for more daily updates, do follow me on Insta. I'll keep a link in the description. Over there I post regularly, and I do post a lot of good content related to a lot of brands. So you can surely have a look on my Insta feed. I'll keep a link in the bio, and for these two products as well, I'll keep a link in the bio if you wish to buy it. And see guys, I won't be getting any kind of money out of it or something, so just to help you out with the link, so I'll be mentioning everything in the description so that you won't face any issue. So I hope you find my video helpful. If you do so, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will try to be more constant and try to post soon. So yeah, one more review video coming up really soon, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye, stay safe.